Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So if you're new to my channel, hi. My name is Patch and I'm a makeup artist, a biologist, and also beauty and whatever expert. No, I'm not an expert, no, but yeah, I'm going to tell you what works for me. So as you've seen from the title, we're going to be talking about teeth whitening, and this is the product that I've been using for years. 2 years already. Am I in frame? Okay. So 2 years already, and yeah, I've been selling this before, but I stopped because I got busy, and then we're back at it, and they have a brand now. Before it wasn't branded, so this is Bright Smile. It is from Bright Smile PH. We're going to be opening this. Okay, so this is sealed, if you can tell. And if it's not sealed, you should return it. Okay. So each pack contains 10 syringe. 10 syringe with a gel. Don't worry, you're not going to inject this to your gums. You're just going to be. This is used for calibration and precision in accuracy. So this is the kit, what the kit looks like, and this is what the syringe looks like. So this is my teeth right now. It's not its whitest white because I haven't used this in a while already. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you inside of this first. So you open it, it comes with 10 syringe of whitening gels, and then it comes with a instruction pamphlet, and this is your mouth tray, and this right here is the activator or the blue light activator with the tips. So this is the mouth tray that comes with the kit, and you are going to be shaping this and molding this to the exact fit of your teeth. So you're going to shape this first, and then you get a syringe after you shape this. I'll be showing you later, by the way. So this is the syringe, and it's still sealed. If you press it, it's not going to release the product. So I'm going to take the tip inside here, and then you replace this. So this is the tip, and you change it to another tip. And then you can remove this cover and you press out the product. The product comes out. So it's up to you if you follow the instructions or you follow how I do it. So sa instruction kasi nakalagay is you put it on the teeth. I don't do that kasi I don't like excess product going to my gums because it's not going to burn or hurt a lot, but it's going to have a tingling sensation, and that's something that we want to avoid kasi it's going to make you worry if that's the case. And then yeah, after that you put the mouth tray, you put all the product in, and then you put the light thingy. So I'm going to be back to show you how I shape the mouth tray. Ang dami ko ng pawis ang init. So that's it. Yes, I think I explained everything already. Did I? Okay. So each kit promises you 10 times whitening. That's too good to be true, right? I'm going to be showing you how my teeth looks like years ago, and it was so yellow, like I'm not kidding. Even my friends are witnesses of how my teeth looks before. I don't really smile on photos. All my graduation photo looks like this because I don't show my teeth. But now I always, when somebody says hi to me, I smile like, hello, like hi. Ganyan na talaga. So I have my friend here. Welcome here. In front of the camera. He uses it too. See? Brighter smile, brighter future. Yes. So I'm going to be showing you up close. Wow, ang ganda talaga pag nakaka-focus. So this comes also in the package. So you have this teeth shade guide. This is a teeth shade guide. My teeth used to be, I would not say 20, that's too dark. So look at this. So this is the teeth shade guide. Well, I'm really scared to get this close, but okay, no shade. So I think I used to be like this yellow. And then now I'm somewhere here. because I haven't used it yet. Somewhere, let's say, I think I'm a 7. Yeah, 7 ba? Hindi ko sure. Hindi naman siya yung whiteness. So it's up to you how often you use it. So nasa sa inyo na yan kung how often you will use it. But for me, for the first 2 weeks, because that's when you really have to do it as often as you can. I used to do it every day for the first week, but it's going to make your teeth so sensitive. And if you're like me who drinks coffee, eats ice cream, so you might want to avoid that, or you might want to lessen the use of this. But it will not work if you wouldn't use it consistently. So this is something that I would want to tell you guys now. For the first 2 weeks, you really have to be consistent about it, because when you get this desired shade of your teeth, that's when maintenance lang yung kailangan mo like. For me, I only do it before events, once a month. But I'm too lazy. Why would I do that, diba? But when your teeth get super white, it's not like kailangan mo pa siyang maintain palagi. It's just like, I use whitening toothpaste, pero before, I used to have a lot of method for whitening my teeth. I used the baking soda, lemon. These things work, but they don't work as fast and as effective as the teeth whitening kits, because I think baking soda is very abrasive to your teeth. It's going to destroy your enamel. However, it only strips off the stain because it's peroxide based. And I don't think that when you use hydrogen peroxide like the one you could buy, I saw this hacks on YouTube before. Yes, but they burn your gums like crazy. This one, you can control it because it's on a gel form. So yeah. Sige na, wag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy. Pakita ko na sa inyo paano gamitin. Yes. So you guys saw what I did there. I dipped it in for like 8 seconds. I put it in my mouth. I sucked it all. Press, press, press. And then like, you have to suck at everything. So you took it all and then you put it on cold water for it to set in shape. Like ice, cold water, ganun. No education. And then for the bottom part, same thing. Do it again. Dip it in. You wait until it gets wobbly. 6, 7, 8. See that? So gaya pa siya like balik-balik. So you shouldn't stop until you don't see the lines. Mo kasi mama sa background. So ayan, nakita niyo mo. Importante lang kay na ay murag impression sa imong teeth. Pasensya yung laway. Normal na siya. Natilaway ko yan. So yeah. And then you put it on cold water. And when it's hard, like the first one, this one, see that? It's perfectly shaped, diba? So we put it back. It's your right. So that's how you shape it, and then I'll be showing you the next part later. And so we're back, and we've already finished setting this. So after it has cooled down, it's hardened again. So you take a scissor, you cut this excess thingy. Yep, just like so. And I've already brushed my teeth, so I'm just going to be showing you how much of the product I'll be using. So this is one syringe, and you have to make sure that you push out a little bit of it. Oops. So let's just put it in. I use 1 dot per impression. So we can see it. So it looks like this. So where there is markings on the teeth, where the teeth bite marks are, so you put 1 pea-sized amount ganito one like that, and then two, and then one like that, and then just put one dot per tooth because that's all you need, because the product will just spread when you put it on your teeth. So I hope you see that. I put top first. Tops first. I have bottom out. You put the line. So we're finally back, and yeah, I'm done using it for like 20 minutes. And I had to cut that part because we don't want to run out of memory. So I already rinsed my mouth with just water. And then for that, I advise you to use it for 20 minutes if it's your first time, so you don't really get the tingles and the burning sensation in your gums. And leave it longer if you can. Time really runs fast. 40 minutes, you could just watch a movie, an episode, you can scroll through your phone and it'll just pass. And just make sure that you don't salivate a lot. When the saliva builds up in your mouth, you just spit it out and make sure that it doesn't come off. But for me, I'm already used to it, so like it's okay. And then if it's your first time using it, you only leave it for like 20 minutes or more if you can. And then the frequency of me using it before was 3 times a week. You can do it every day if you can. We don't have very sensitive teeth. And, well, it depends upon you. So just read the instructions carefully, and I think I've all pretty much covered everything. If you enjoyed this video and if you have questions, comment down below. And if you like this kind of video, click thumbs up, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also follow me on my other social media accounts, Instagram @PatKauho. Follow me on Instagram @PatchKauho, and on my makeup Instagram @MakeupByPatch, and also on my Facebook account I think it's Patch. And on my Facebook account, that's still PatchKauho. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys will like this product. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.